Good morning, TikTok Andy here from Nifty Things. So today in New Zealand it's Friday, April the 1st, which just happens to be April Fool's Day. It's a fantastic day to try to catch people out. One year I went a bit too far and I put on Facebook for my now wife but then girlfriend. All I said was, she said yes. I thought it was hilarious. All her family and friends started congratulating us, and she thought I was a dick. So watch out what you do with your April Fool's Day jokes. Anyway, today I like looking in our local paper, which is the New Zealand Herald, and seeing what I can spot as an April Fool's Day joke. So you have to have a bit of a keen eye, because quite often something that you think might not be real is actually real. We've got one here which is Eden Park, which is the home of New Zealand Rugby, where the main All Black matches get held. They're looking to turn that into a surfing venue. So someone obviously had a great time with Photoshop, making a sort of surfing venue out of our rugby stadium. And for those in the US, our rugby is sort of equivalent to American football, so that same sort of stature in the community. Anyway, that's quite a good read and a bit of a laugh. And I always like how they sort of finished an article with something like, "More will be known after noon today, April 1, just so people who really get suckered in can work out, oh, it's April Fool's Day. Scroll through and you sort of see different articles. One here about Chris Rock. If you told me a couple of days ago that Will Smith had hit Chris Rock at the Grammys, I would have thought that was an April Fool's Day joke, but no, that's real. We've got one here about Joe Biden leading the US bid for a Rugby World Cup, and actually that one looks to be real, so that would be interesting if that happens. We've got another one here with Dyson producing a headphone with a snorkel, which allows you to protect yourself from COVID and air pollution, but that was posted yesterday, so that's also real. But I know this one isn't, so this is Aston Martin, and effectively they're saying they're decking out the car like a James Bond car. It has bulletproof everything, windows, protective fuel tank, and even comes with electric shock door handles. So I hope that you have a fantastic April Fool's Day wherever you are in the world, and let me know if there's any particularly funny April Fool's Day jokes that you got caught out on, or if there's an article that just is worth sharing. Cool. Anyway, have yourself a fantastic day, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.